So the SMETs 2 meter is installed today, and that's what it looks like from Octopus by a company called AES. And basically what it will do is give you up to the minute. There you go, that's the cost. The dryer is on at the moment and a few minor charges, battery charges, but usual household stuff. No TVs are on at the moment. Solar is giving us about 300-400 watts. And this is the cost. You can set your budgets as well. So there you go, that's my bill so far in the last hour. Settings, set budget, and then you can set your budget on. You can say I want a budget like that, and you can say 150, 150 a day. Okay, electricity budget set. Gas hasn't been set up on this meter yet. Screen brightness, night mode, ketones, budget alert, ambient light, choose language, usual stuff. Okay, but the important one is this: what's it costing me at the moment?